Our top focus at 6, a new low in political discourse. BJP MP Ashwini Chaubey is courting controversy after he launched a personal attack on Congress President Sonia Gandhi, calling her a poisonous Italian doll. While addressing BJP workers at a rally, the MP from Buxar also called Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi a foreign parrot and Sonia a parrot's mother. His comments drew a sharp reaction from Congress workers in the state, who reportedly ghirawed him for close to 7 hours, but the MP refused to apologize. Congress workers also staged protests outside the hotel where this MP was staying.
तोता की माँ, इटली की गुड़िया, जहर की पुड़िया, इस देश के अंदर जहर की पुड़िया मत घोलो। कांग्रेस में अब कोई नेता नहीं रहा, कांग्रेस में दिशाहीन लोग।
बहुत गंदा बात तो बोल रहा है, जो बोला उतना। दिस इज बैड, डर्टी। सोनिया गांधी जी को जो बोला, ये नरभसा गया है, इसका नर्वसनेस सिस्टम इस सबका खराब हो गया है।
All right, a BJP MP courting controversy after he launched a scathing personal attack on Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, also calling Sonia Gandhi a poisonous Italian doll. Let's get a word from Rohit Singh, who's with us on the phone line from Patna. Rohit, I believe some Congress workers have also demanded that an FIR be registered against the BJP MP. What's the latest?
Well, there is the demand brewing in the Congress that an FIR must be registered, but the news that we are getting right now is that this matter has now reached the court, and in Darbhanga, the district Congress leader Ram Narayan Jha has filed a complaint case against BJP MP Ashwini Chaubey in the CJM court today in Darbhanga for making these derogatory remarks against the Congress president and vice president. So the matter now has reached the court and a complaint case has been filed. And since last 2 days, we are seeing there is massive uproar in Bihar, especially in the Congress workers for the kind of statement that has been made against Ashwini Chaubey. Yesterday, we saw when Chaubey made those comments at his Patna residence, the Congress leaders threw rotten eggs and tomatoes at his residence. And today also, when Ashwini Chaubey was going to his constituency in Buxar, there also he was ghirawed by Congress workers there, and there was massive protest going on. So this matter is not ending here, and Ashwini Chaubey refusing to budge and not willing to apologize.
All right, the BJP MP refusing to apologize. Congress workers, they're staging protests across Buxar. Let's get a word from Ashok Chaudhary. He's the chief of the Bihar Congress. He's with us on the phone line. बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद आपका अशोक चौधरी जी इंडिया टुडे से बात करने के लिए। आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या है? आप लोगों ने इतने सारे प्रोटेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, बट ऑन द ग्राउंड बीजेपी की तरफ से कोई माफी का संदेश नहीं आया है। We'll try and reconnect with Ashok Chaudhary. He's the chief of the Bihar Congress. Let's get a word again from Rohit Singh, who's with us on the phone line. Rohit, what's the reaction of the state BJP leadership? Also, how are other Bihar parties reacting to the statement by the BJP MP apart from the Congress? We'll try and reconnect with Rohit Singh. Let's once again listen into that statement made by the BJP MP, where he hit out at Sonia Gandhi, launching a personal attack, calling her a poisonous Italian doll.
तोता और तोता की माँ, इटली की गुड़िया, जहर की पुड़िया, इस देश के अंदर जहर की पुड़िया मत घोलो। कांग्रेस में अब कोई नेता नहीं रहा, कांग्रेस में दिशाहीन लोग।
A new low there in political discourse. A BJP MP indulges in name-calling while addressing a rally in Buxar. Strong reactions coming in from the Congress party. Congress workers reportedly ghirawed the MP for close to 7 hours, demanding an apology from him. The MP has refused to apologize. Pictures on your screens are of protests being organized by Congress workers. Rohit Singh, our correspondent, is also getting us an update on this story, and he told us that the CJM's court in Darbhanga has reportedly admitted a complaint filed by a Congress leader demanding that a case be registered against him. Large number of youth Congress workers also staged a protest outside a hotel in Buxar, where Chaubey is reportedly staying at the moment. Pictures on your screens, anger amongst Congress workers after the BJP MP called Sonia Gandhi a poisonous Italian doll, and also indulged in name-calling as far as the Congress Vice President is concerned. He called the Congress Vice President a parrot. The reactions, we're also trying to get reactions from the BJP in Delhi, the Delhi unit of the BJP, especially central leaders, to find out how they react. Not the first time that we're seeing political leaders, not very well-known, launching personal and direct attacks at national leaders to try and gain some popularity. Let's once again play out for the benefit of our viewers that statement that was made by the BJP MP while he was addressing Congress workers in Buxar.
तोता और तोता की माँ, इडली की गुड़िया, जहर की पुड़िया, इस देश के अंदर जहर की पुड़िया मत घोलो। कांग्रेस में अब कोई नेता नहीं रहा, कांग्रेस में दिशाहीन लोग।
Let's get now from Manoj Jha of the RJD, who's with us on the phone line. Mr. Jha, thanks so much for speaking to India Today. Your first reaction?
I tell you, frankly speaking, last 2 years, the kind of degeneration in the language, in the public discourse I have seen, it pains not only me, huge number of Indians who wanted politics. I mean, you can have adversarial relations, you can oppose each other, but if you use this kind of language, where shall it stop? I mean, if we don't stop the uses of these kind of expressions, the kind of expression, I mean, this gentleman has used, Ashwani ji, I think we can only reshape the atmosphere. I am worried that Bihar election being round the corner, if this is the way people are going to speak about opponents, each other, I precisely don't see anything positive. And in particular, let me tell you, since last general election, this kind of degeneration, which is unchecked, it's going on. And somehow there has been a positive appreciation also in certain quarters for these kind of statements. This is not good for democracy, not for Indian politics at all.
All right, you're saying these kind of statements are not good for democracy in Indian politics, new law in political discourse. Mr. Jha, what kind of reaction would you want from the BJP leadership? Would you want the leadership to issue some kind of reprimand for the BJP MP who made this statement?
BJP, and in particular Modi ji, must realize that he is no more an eternal campaigner. He is the Prime Minister of this country, and the Prime Minister is the Prime Minister. It's not Prime Minister of BJP or Congress or RJD or JDU. He represents India. He has to send a signal to everybody that he has zero tolerance for this kind of language. I think it's a failure of the present government that you not only allow, you reward these kind of language. When you have started rewarding these kind of language, which is ethnophilic, which is bordering, I think demonizing everybody else. I think Modi ji needs to realize, and BJP needs to realize that they are in the business of governance. They are no more a party looking at the possibility of coming to power. They are very much in power.
All right, politics ahead of assembly elections in Bihar, they're hitting a new low. Mr. Jha, thanks so much for speaking to India Today. Let's also get a word from Rajiv Ranjan of the JDU, who's with us on the phone line. Mr. Ranjan, your first reaction?
देखिए, अभी पहले तो मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि जिस तरीके से इस राज्य में इस चुनाव को लेकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं के जो अजीबोगरीब बयान आ रहे हैं, उससे बिहार की जनता भी हैरत में है। इसलिए कि जो बिहार में एक गवर्नेंस और इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ को लेकर के पिछले 10 वर्षों में जो राजनीति हुई है, उसको कहीं ना कहीं आज एक केंद्रीय मुद्दा बना करके नीतीश कुमार जी बिहार का चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं, और उस तरीके से ही रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए था भारतीय जनता पार्टी को। लेकिन जो बयान उनके नेताओं के आ रहे हैं, जिस तरीके के सिरफिरे किस्म के उनके नेताओं की टिप्पणियां हैं, वो निश्चित तौर पर बिहार की जनता के समझ के परे है कि अगर सकारात्मक सवालों के इर्द गिर्द अगर उन्हें राजनीति नहीं करनी है तो उन्हें पहले ही हार मान लेनी चाहिए, और कमोबेश वो हार मान भी चुके हैं। जिस तरह से बिहार के नेताओं में उनका भरोसा नहीं दिखा, 1 दर्जन मुख्यमंत्री पद के दावेदार नेताओं को उन्होंने खारिज करके नरेंद्र मोदी के चेहरे के साथ जाने का निर्णय किया है। लेकिन जो डिस्कोर्स है वो पूरी तरह से बहुत ही निचले स्तर का है, और जो बयानबाजियां अब उनके नेताओं के हो रहे हैं, उससे बिहार की जनता भी शर्मसार महसूस कर रही है।
All right, thanks so much, Mr. Ranjan, for speaking to India today. Both the RJD and the JDU criticizing that statement being made by the BJP MP. Also said that a message should be sent out by the top BJP leadership, saying that comments like this will not be entertained. Politics hitting a new low in Bihar ahead of assembly elections in the state. We'll continue tracking developments on this story.